For this Valentine's Day, I celebrated by testing the structural strength of various plastic 3D printed hearts. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'd recommend wearing headphones to get the best sound experience from the slow motion and cracking sounds. I'm going to start with the small black heart with a crevice in it on the breaker device. And I'll be using this tool. Okay, safety goggles on, cameras set up, peak set on the device. And it records 64.7 newtons. It's a bit hard to see. Yep, 64.7. And if you loosen that bolt there, we can see a partial fracturing here. However, we did not fully break it. You can see it breaks like that. It was with minimal force, so it's stuck like that. And we're going to repeat that setup with this white heart here. So we're going to redo the settings there, and now we're once again going to test breaking it. So all the visual signs are there, and the cameras are now set. And that result was 48.4 newtons. Okay. Now we're going to be doing this heart, which also has a cut down the middle. And we're going to put it on the edge here. Goggles on. Setting up the cameras. And we're turning on the cameras. And that maxed out at, can't see it, but it's 30.6 newtons of force. So we're going to loosen this one. And here you can see the break it got there. And now we have this extremely thin black heart with also a cut down the middle, so this one would allow it to easily tear. So next we're going to use this tool to do a pulling test to pull apart the black heart there. So we're going to drill a hole through it. And we're just going to do some comparative drill sizes and find the best one. And so we load up our drill. We're gonna have to fix that in place. Maybe it'd be easier. Like I said, it's bleeding. Yep, now you can see this hole here. And so now we're going to attach our tool. And as you can see, it just barely will fit through here. With some wrangling. There we go. And so we reset it. And we're going to move the position slightly of this so it's closer to here. And fix that. And I'm going to put that there while I set up my other camera. Okay, and now we will start the test. Oh, it may need to be fixed slightly tighter. And just for good measure, we're going to, so as you can see, it's bending up a lot, so I'm going to need to wrapping that around. Piece is set, and we're going to pull. And that took 117.4 newtons of force. 117.4. Next, we will do an impact test with this large black heart, which is about that thick, as you can see. So I'll just be hitting it with this hammer. I won't get any precise data, but you can get a feel for how fast you need to go to break it, and it makes a great cracking sound. So, as you can see, it's pretty firmly fixed. Got safety goggles on. And setting up the second camera. Trying to get as close as possible without impairing the view. And recording. And when we unscrew it, you can see this cracking pattern in it like so. We're going to do another hammer test of the thick heart in the color white. And we see a similar cracking pattern here as we did on the previous example. And here you can see the inner 3D printer filament style and the shape with which it created.